Hi friends, in this video we came with some important questions which are related to Indian history. These questions may be asked in all the competitive exams. Now we will see the questions along with the answers.
First question. The Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? From the given options, you can pick the correct answer and comment your answer in the comment section. We will reveal the answer within few seconds. And the answer is option 2. The Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757. Next question. The system of competitive examination for civil service was accepted in principle in which year? And the answer is option 1. It was accepted in the year 1853. Next question. Tripitakas or sacred books of which of the following? And the answer is Buddhist. Next question. To which professions earlier leaders who struggled for freedom of India mainly belong? And the answer is option 4. All of the above. That is, lawyers, journalists, teachers, or the leaders who struggle for freedom of India. Next question. The troop raised by the emperor but not paid directly the state and placed under the charge of Mansabdars were known as which of the following? And the answer is option 4, the Khili. Next question. The victories of Karikala are well portrayed in which of the following? And the answer is option 3. The victories of Karikala are well portrayed in Pattinapallai. Next question. Todermal was associated with which of the following? And the answer is option 2. It was associated with finance. Next question. We hear of 2 envoys being sent to the Roman kings. One in 27 to 28 AD to the court of Augustus, and other in 110 to 20 AD to the court of which of the following? And the answer is option 4. The other envoys are being sent to the court of Trajan. Next question. The trident-shaped symbol of Buddhism does not represent which of the following? And the answer is option 4. The trident-shaped symbol of Buddhism does not represent nirvana. Last question. The Treaty of Mangalore was signed between which of the following? And the answer is option 2. The Treaty of Mangalore was signed between the English East India Company and Tipu Sultan. So these are all the questions which are related to Indian history.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.